Hi everyone, it's 29th of December 2019 and it's the weekend video analysis. So S&P 500, as you remember, it broke out from the broke out of the golden rising channel, which was super bullish obviously, and then it cleared the blue resistance as well, which at the foretouch you see cleared it and came and back tested it. The red channel is in control. That is the perfect rising channel. It is an interim channel that it has spun out of the golden channel. You can see here, this is the red one. Perfect. And now the current pullback is just touching the potential green support. I say potential because it has to bounce here for confirmation. And it looks like a veg, and obviously it is very overbought, so I'm guessing maybe we can pull back to the blue support again, but this is by no means a short advice. It is basically um, still by the dips market, and I don't think it is going anywhere. So the red top band is, I think, eventually will be is the next target. As long as the blue support is holding, there is every reason to believe that this market will keep on going to 3,300 and even further up. So Dow Jones is approaching. So Friday, Dow didn't sell off. It rallied further. You can see here that is a massive rally while the others were pulling back. And the red top band is again the obvious target, and that may be touched on Monday or Tuesday, and from there we may see a pullback to the blue plus green support. That will be a double support, and the bounce from there may even clear the red top band to the upside. That is one scenario that I would be looking at. Why I believe that the green support will hold, because it tried so hard to break that green resistance, and that is why, say, you can see the green resistance, it was tested so many times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe perhaps 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times or 7 times before breaking to the upside. So I'm guessing this is where it's going to go, right? So that would be a support to buy into. Furthermore, another hugely bullish market is Nasdaq, and it's actually the most bullish one. Whenever a market clears a rising resistance, that is actually a double resistance. So this one is the blue and the red one. This becomes like new buyers coming in, and it keeps on going, surging. So this blue and red supports, I mean, they should turn into supports at the backtest, and that would be another opportunity to buy into. The huge breakout was the golden. As you can see, the golden resistance was broken, back tested, bounced, another backtest, and it rallied further. So simple lines that can be very, very lucrative. So you have to make the most out of these very nicely formed technical setups. And the most bullish breakout, one of the most bullish breakouts, I mean the obvious signal, let's say the other ones were all rising resistance breakouts, whereas this one was a bull flag breakout, that is Russell 2000. And here, as you can see, the back test of the blue bull flag breakout, and here was a nice consolidation. The red top band broke to the upside as well. So the green is breaking to the downside, was breaking to the downside on Friday. We may see a a break, proper break, and then the red top band should will probably hold, and it will keep on rallying. Russell will keep on rallying to 1750. That is the target of the blue channel. That is 1550. Broken blue pullback. Let's see. That is super. It was the best bullish signal that we have had in a long time from FTSE, which was the golden support. That's why we bought um, with a very tight stop, and now the blue level support. So resistance was broken. This is a small wedge. It's a very steep edge, so it is now breaking to the downside. But I really don't care because this here, first it broke to the upside, and now it's stalling and coming back down after a brief shallow back test or sort of pullback. I presume FTSE will keep on going. One possibility, which I think won't happen, but there is a possibility to keep coming to the blue broken resistance and then go to 8,000. That is one possibility, and that will be another buy signal right here. Yeah. So the target, the obvious target, is 8,000 plus. So golden top band obviously would be perfect for a nice, well-defined target, and it would be in line with the backtest of the red as well. So this is the red channel that was broken. You can see that red channel. Oh, let me paint it in green. Okay, that green channel, it is, I think, will be the backtest, will be the target of this rally whenever it gets there. So it may be after the pullback, even double resistance here. That is over 8,000. So that is what we have to watch for. This is DAX. DAX had found the law at the green bottom end, which is where we bought it, if you remember. We rode it only until this resistance. Okay, right here with a very tight stop. It was a nice gain, but we basically I didn't buy the breakout. Should have. Nonetheless, the green resistance, you can see the green interim resistance held. The blue diagonal resistance is holding too. And now the red bull flag is broken. The back test, last week's law was the breakout level back test. And now the golden channel, which is another small bull flag, is broken. Backtest on the top end would be another buy signal. The target 13,500 plus on euro on forex. So this is, let me show you the origin of the blue resistance. This is a huge wedge. Okay, the huge wedge was broken. This is 8-hourly log scale chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits. You can see 7 or 6 hits, and the backtest held. That is perfect, and the red bottom band. Now the red channel is broken, and the golden top band will be the next target. I believe we'll see another pullback from there, and then euro will break free. That is what I have in mind for now. Pound, I believe US dollar is gonna drop during 2020. I mean, this is a long-term prediction from me because I can see all the other pairs bottoming out. I'll show you now. Pound has backtested the golden broken bull flag. It was a perfect bull flag. The backtest came right here, and it basically cleared this resistance, and it was actually a wedge. So let me show that wedge to you. This was a wedge, okay, not really nicely drawn, but you get the idea. Now, if we get the green bottom band, get to the green bottom band next week, and the bounce from there would be targeting 134 if it gets there. I mean, it's already super bullish for my money, but one more pullback to the green bottom band to confirm it as a channel, and then keep going to 134, 135. The real major resistance on cable is this blue one, right? Above this blue resistance, I don't think pound will ever get back to 120 again. So that is a huge, huge resistance. And if that is cleared, we are going higher. Otherwise, obviously, if we can't clear that, all of my trades are starting with if and then. So there's always an if clause. I mean, if the green channel forms and then breaks it, then I would say maybe 120, 120 below 120 can be maybe revisited. That is, of course, unless the blue resistance breaks first. Aussie dollar, that is a huge breakout. This is an 8-hourly log scale chart. You can see the golden resistance, cleared golden resistance. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. The back test here ran a little bit into, because there was some news related activity here, so he had to get back a little bit in to fill those liquidity gaps. And then the red support held. We are long from 68.80, and now it's going all the way out. So the red top band may hold, and we will probably get another pullback. But I believe there is a very, very big upside. The blue broken level resistance shouldn't be breached again. Even if it does, the golden support should hold. I believe this whole area that has been cleared will hold as a bottom out process. Similarly, Kiwi. Similarly, very, very beautiful technical picture. So this is a 6, 7, 8-year channel. 8-year, the red one. So the top band is here, the bottom band is there, the top band, the bottom band, we got the confirmation here. Look at this, beautiful bounce off the red bottom band. And Kiwi went into the broken green bear flag. That is as bullish as it gets. So the back test held initially, but then it break into it. And now the golden resistance is broken too. So what do you need? What else do you need? So this is a huge candlestick, weekly candlestick, that has gotten right into the bear flag and above the golden resistance. This is as bullish as it gets. And now the commodities, oil's technical excuse me, oil's technical picture is perfect. It is really absolutely perfect. This is a short-term red channel. Okay, the golden resistance held initially last week, which we shorted for a short while, for a brief while. It pulled back, and now it's broken the golden resistance. The red top band is holding, but I believe looking at the the state of things is that oil wants to go higher. You can see here it has touched the red borders of the red channel so many times. Obviously, this is a bear flag, potential bear flag, but the fact that the golden resistance is broken, and if oil can get above 62, there is huge upside, 65 to 70. Right? That is what I have in mind. And when a rising channel breaks to the upside, that is where you go long. You don't short it anymore. You just buy a high price, yes. But that high will get higher because of getting out of a rising channel. That means new buyers are coming. And nat gas, very very proper structure forming here. It's still looking very bearish because of the broken golden channel. It's back test held, and now, I mean, the red channel was broken, so it was bullish and bearish. You can see it came a few times to back test the red channel's top band, and it bounced here, it bounced there. I was a little bit puzzled by this bullish and bearish, so hence I didn't take any positions. But now the black resistance has three touches, right? And that three touches is a warning for a break to the upside, unless it goes down, keep going down. It's going down. I believe if we see a bounce off the blue support, that would cause a run to the green potential resistance, and then the blue top band. That can be the play here. If the black resistance is broken, that nat gas may be a short-term buy signal. I'm saying short-term, that's because the golden broken bear flag is still hugely bearish. It's simple, because it's been forming since August, and now it's broken. And back test held. So it is a very beautiful confirmed channel. I know these are the overshoots, which I don't really like normally, but there has been too many ups and downs with the storage reports, so we have to let let a little bit leeway. You have to give a little bit leeway on this very accurate channels, especially on NatGas, which is extremely volatile during storage reports. This is gold. Okay, gold reversed at 1550 because of, so let me show you the long-term view first. So gold reversed at the golden top band. That was a perfect reversal. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that, right? So we were expecting that reversal. We even shorted it there, just below, like 1530 something. And now, and that was also, so this was also the short reason. Now this here was a long-term broken support, and it held at the backtest. It was a perfect reversal. Now let's go get closer to the current action. Okay, and the green top end is holding for now. I'm not saying this is a channel yet because it hasn't reversed at its top band yet. And the blue channel also is speculative. It would only get confirmed if we see another high and a sharp reversal. So there is that. This golden broken resistance will probably hold as support. And then after that, if the blue channel breaks to the upside, that would make it obviously a bull flag. So something like this. So if if it happens, if we see a bounce off the green and the blue supports from here, like this, that would make it a buy here, or another buy at a break out. For now, I'm watching this. I'm watching gold with with great interest and trying to get a feel or a setup as to what it's going to do. Silver, this is a daily chart log scale. The golden, you can see the golden broken support didn't hold as a resistance. It held for a while, it didn't, and then it rallied. The green resistance rail, the red potential one, and the blue, so the blue top band, we may see another marginal high, but after that, we may see a pullback. That is here is a kind of a cluster of resistances, but they're all potential resistances. So I can only be sure if and when it gets there and reverses. And if that reversal, if that resistance cluster holds, and we see a reversal, that will make it a short entry. And from there on, if we see another breakout, that will make it long. So as simple as that. All right, guys, have a good rest of the weekend. Keep in touch. Take care. Bye.